Do you constantly feel like scratching your head? Is your scalp driving you crazy with that irritating, itchy feeling? Well, you're not alone. Scalp itchiness is a common problem affecting millions of people. But don't worry, you don't have to live with the scratching and discomfort. In this video, I'll share 6 home remedies that can finally give you relief from that persistent itchy scalp. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you've been suffering from an itchy, irritated scalp, then this video is for you. We're going to go over 6 natural home remedies that can help soothe and heal an itchy scalp. These treatments use simple ingredients you likely already have at home, so they're easy to try. From apple cider vinegar to coconut oil, these remedies will get to the root of what's causing the itchiness, so you can finally stop constantly scratching your head. Remedy 1. Apple cider vinegar ACV contains antimicrobial properties that can help balance your scalp's pH levels. This helps reduce any fungal or bacterial issues that may be causing itchiness. Remedy 2. Tea tree oil. Tea tree oil is another ingredient with antifungal and antimicrobial powers. It's been shown to help treat dandruff and improve overall scalp health. Remedy 3. Aloe vera. The cooling and soothing aloe vera gel can help relieve scalp itching and inflammation. It also helps moisturize a dry, irritated scalp. Remedy 4. Coconut oil. Coconut oil is a great natural moisturizer for the scalp. The fatty acids help stop dryness and reduce irritation and itchiness. Remedy 5. Baking soda. Baking soda works as a gentle exfoliator to remove dead skin cells, dirt, and oil that could be clogging follicles. This improves circulation and reduces itching. Remedy 6. Oatmeal. Ground oatmeal makes an anti-inflammatory and soothing treatment for the scalp. It helps relieve itchiness and irritation. There you have it, 6 natural home remedies to help banish that annoying scalp itch for good. Try out some of these treatments and let me know in the comments which ones worked best for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap the bell to be notified about my newest videos. Thanks for watching.